Did you just get certified in microblading but still feel unprepared? Let me help you.
I'm Carissa Crane. I have over 10,000 students worldwide, and after charging for my courses for the last 2.5 years, I am done. I'm literally starting to feel guilty continuing to take the same money from new people for something I filmed 2 years ago. And I want to give you access to all of my courses, all of my past courses, which is over 200 videos, and all of my future courses that I have over 6 launching this year. Become a BrowTricks VIP member and let me help you be successful in this career. I know the gap that is created after these 3-day courses. It is my mission to help you go from your initial certification to be the success that I know you can be. So sign up, let's do this together. Ready, set, go.